And we're trying out a new lure here from the Parker Company, and not very good conditions out. It's a little windy, but this new lure from the Parker Company is called the Parker Special. It's guaranteed to catch any kind of fish under any conditions. Now, the way you use it is you just throw it out and reel it in as fast as you can. All right. Yeah. Fish every time.
We're the Parker Special. Here we are off Highway 20 in another little country pond. This lure is guaranteed to catch any kind of fish. There's been one trout spotted in this pond here. It's big. It's only been seen. Nobody can catch it. But it's guaranteed that this here lure will catch it. I'm going to catch that trout.
Okay.
Oh, got a bite. There he is. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Holy cow. I got him. Look at him. Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one. He's a big one. He's a big one.
Proof. Once again, you catch fish on every cast.